Hi everyone, this is Sergio from Cirrus LLC. This is our stainless steel model, which is a 1.5-inch connection, inner and outer. Has a maximum capacity of 10,000 liters per hour, 1 micron. It's self-cleaning, self-flushing, and this is our special cartridge that is inside. This is stainless steel micro wire. So what happens is the water comes into the filter around the cartridge. Everything that is less than micron will fit through the pores. Inside of the cartridge is this biomagnetic water softener, water structure, that also functions as an anti-scale device. So the good water passes through, gets structured, becomes soft, and comes out the exit. The dirty water will stay around the cartridge waiting for it to be flushed. So this can be done manually, or you can connect automatic flushing and have it flushed automatically. We also have models from up to 300,000 liters per hour, up to 6-inch flank connections. This is perfect solution for irrigation, agriculture. It's just fantastic, the results. And this is a pre-filter strainer. It also has a direct draining valve, so it has a stainless steel screen. So this will protect the filter from any kind of rocks, pebbles, and all of that. So that will get flushed out even before entering the filter. So contact me for more info, prices, delivery time. I'll be glad to assist you. Have a great day. Bye bye.